What's up, everyone? My name is Catherine Powell, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can get out of your head and back into your hands. If you're someone that gets stuck in your head, overthinking things instead of just diving into the making process, we're going to help you fix that today. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 of my favorite tiny art warm-ups that uses a variety of mixed media materials. I use these warm-ups to help turn off that unhelpful chatter in my brain, or to help calm any anxious energy that might be rising. I love doing these first thing in the morning to help me set the tone for the day. And all these exercises are meant to be fun, easy, fast, and playful. So let's get started. Okay, so the whole point of this first warm-up is to fill in a grid of tiny squares. One thing that helps quiet the mind and boost creativity is making things small. And that just makes things feel less precious. So to start, grab some masking tape and make a grid on a piece of paper. In this case, I have a watercolor sheet of paper and a watercolor journal that I have. And then, once you have created the squares, fill in each square with a simple watercolor wash. I just intuitively picked colors I really liked and just did one color per square. You can have 2 or more, whatever your heart desires. After it dries, the challenge is to then fill in each grid with a different pattern and perhaps maybe using different materials. You'll see here that I used a variety of pen and ink on some, colored pencils for some, straight ink penning for some others, colored pencil dots, cut paper, some oil pastels, metallic markers and metallic collaging, and then of course the most satisfying part of this is ripping off the masking tape and getting those clean lines. Absolutely delightful. All right, whereas the last warm-up we used squares, in this second warm-up, we're going to use my favorite shape, circles. We're going to start this one drawing all different sizes of circles to fill a sheet of paper. You can overlap them or not, and use a compass like I am here, or just free draw circles. Really doesn't matter. And then similar to the last warm-up, I'm going to fill in each circle with the watercolor wash base. Maybe you feel complete with just that watercolor base, which is great. In this case, I felt a nudge to keep going and use colored pencils to make these balls 3D. I've actually never done this before, but had so much fun adding in this multicolor beach ball effect spontaneously to zhuzh things up. My best advice for you is just to listen to your intuitive, creative spidey senses here and play with whatever curiosity comes up for you. There's really no right or wrong way to do this. Okay, and for this final warm-up, I'd recommend grabbing 4 sheets of small-ish paper that you can see here, and just now freehand draw some random lines on each one. So perhaps on one, some lines are more curvy. On another, you create more straight lines. Just quickly apply some lines on a few sheets of paper as if you're scribbling them on. Then pick your favorite line drawing and start there, and start filling it in like you might fill in a coloring book. I loved using my marker set for this. This is also meant to be a very intuitive process, so just pick whatever colors stand out for you. And then you'll see I added a mantra phrase at the end to this one. Trust the process, to infuse this piece with a meaningful intention. You can stop there if that feels complete, or you can keep going with your other random line drawings. I ended up filling up all 4 of these sheets, some with watercolor paints, some with metallic watercolor paints. Choose whatever your heart fancies. Okay, so there you have it. 3 easy art warm-ups to help you get your creative juices flowing. Again, these aren't meant to be masterpieces. These exercises are designed to help you lower the stakes, quiet the mind, and loosen up your body. Because oftentimes, all you really need is to get your hands moving and grooving, and that tends to shift the energy, and that helps you get creatively unstuck. So try one of these exercises the next time you feel creatively stuck or just want something to get you going. If you like this video, make sure you're subscribed here. I share a lot more of these tiny rituals and intuitive art practices on this channel. Now, I don't want you to just watch this video and do nothing. I dare you to go make something. Just go for it. And I'll see you in my next video.